Hey guys, today I'm making another video. Hold on. Today I'm making another video, and I have a Labubu. And how I got this Labubu? And how I got this Labubu is scamming people. Yep. What should I call him? He's so cute. What you doing over there? He's suspicious.
How'd you get it, you said?
Oh, from scamming somebody. Oh yeah, comment below this video, see? Because I don't know what else to make videos. So I want you guys to comment below what should be the next video. Because I don't know what to make. So yep. Oh, let me put my Labubu somewhere safe.
I can make videos with you. Or a video with you. But I have to be dead for it.
Alright, let me put my Labubu somewhere safe. Alright, my Labubu is safe now. And guys, okay. What should we do for this video?
Alright, so I have to be dead, okay?
You know,
so, and then we need sticky dynamite.
Nah, everyone's listen to this. What about we go somewhere like, let's go,
I need to be dead though.
Where should we go? I feel like I checked everything out. Hold on, let me get a grappler out. Or did I? Do I not have a grappler anymore?
We don't need to go anywhere.
So many people killed me. Now I gotta buy a grappler. Back. Where are you? There you are.
Alright, listen. I'm gonna die and then I'm gonna be a ghost and say, I have a butt and then explode you.
But everyone's listening to this, bro. Oh, this is sick.
Right
Hold on,
now?
I know what we should do. Follow me.
Stop recording then.
Nope. Everyone gotta listen to this. Actually, today's video is we're gonna go in that creepy place. So you better get a grappling hook. Why did you kill yourself? Oh heck no! He almost killed me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, you almost killed me. Oh my gosh. Chill. Now, can we do the video and not? Oh yeah, you can kill the mobs. Yeah, kill the mobs. That's in there.
Okay.
But you know that creepy man that's like, haha, laughing? Boy, he is so scary. Yeah, I want you to RPG him, bro. Yo, don't leave me. Oh, trust me, you need a grappling hook for this journey.
I don't.
You don't? Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
This part is hard. Oh, come.
We're already up there through here.
See how easy this is?
Wait.
I told you, bro.
How far up do we need?
Told you should got a grappling hook. Whee. Oh crap. Bro, stop trying to kill me. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Over here. You're coming. Are you ready? Well, this place seems nice, but farther and farther you go, more creepy it is. Yo, where are you? Oh, there you are. Whoa, this is so scary. What is this?
Bruh.
item. No. Where are you?
Yo, I found something.
Oh, I lost my item. I just
Yeah,
spent.
it's fine. I found something, bro.
Oh, what did you find? What, you found the bathrooms? Yeah, you found the bathrooms.
And a dead guy.
Oh my gosh. RIP for him. I feel like we're gonna die though. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
But wait for me. What are these?
Uranium.
What they do?
I don't know, I'll grab this one now.
What do
They
they
sell
supposed
for
to
quite a
do?
bit of money.
Oh, they make money for us?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, heck
Oh,
yeah.
this is where the snail guy is.
What snail guy?
Alright, listen, we gotta keep going.
It's making it scary. Oh my gosh, hold on.
Wait a second.
I'm not going down there, bro.
Bro, just come down here. You need to find a snail, I think.
What does the
pretty sure.
snail do? Oh, I think I know what we're supposed to do.
Get a snail.
We're supposed to put these in. Okay, we're supposed to put these in. Gosh. We're supposed to put these in. What the heck? It's floating at the air.
Help me.
I need to die. Get.
Help me.
Where's your body? And there.
Yeah.
Get out of there. Okay.
We gotta collect all of it.
Oh, it's just
There's
taking
more.
off.
There's
Aren't
more,
these for
bro.
like the money?
I'll get this. I don't know, we gotta put them all in, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, what's that sound? Oh, I got more. No, no, I'm gonna die.
Brother.
I died. Hey, it's pretty hard. Oh, we're halfway. Oh yeah, guys. If you don't want to see this, just skip the video. If you don't want to see us doing this. Oh, is there any more? What's this? Oh, is that blood water? Are we almost done? Oh, I found more. I found more. I think they spawn.
Yeah, they do.
Look at that. That's easier. Oh, there, I did a lot there.
I found another two.
I bet we're cooking. We're going pretty fast.
Yeah, look, so it's almost finished.
Oh. Yep.
Let's
Good,
go
there's
wash
one
our
more.
hands now. Let's go wash our hands.
Okay, bet. I kind of feel like this is blood water. That looks like blood water. I don't want to wash my hand on blood water. Yo, I can't find any more. I can't find any more.
Yo, do we have to find a key maybe?
I don't know. That's the way. I don't think they're spawning anymore.
Oh, more uranium spawn.
Oh, nice. Okay. I think there's like a minute that they...
Smallest to biggest. So
I
we have to... Wait. First... Wait, no. Listen. We have to do the smallest ones first.
I'm gonna put them all in the pile. Oh, God.
No, we have to put them smallest.
Fucking
That's what it says on there. So put that small one in there.
What small one? This one that I have? Okay, bet. I'll put this one in. Now big ones?
Yeah.
Got so much died. It's so close. We're doing this fast. I think I know where it will spawn. Go back. There's a lot more in here. There's a lot more in here. This is like the tank. And we found a lot in there.
More spawn.
Whee. Oh, so close. I think this might finish it. Or like we need one more or something. Come on. Oh, it's so close.
I know there's 4 more, bro. Come here.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
2 more over there.
This has to finish it.
It finished.
Actually, L-1. What's L-1? Hold on. I think we didn't finish it. I think we need one more. We might
What
need
is
one
the
more.
code, bro? No, we need the code.
I bet.
So look for like numbers.
Level 1. Burn risk. Oh. Why is my whole screen turning into something? Well, I know the code's gonna be in here. Huh. Oh, you're already in here.
Yo, hey, wait. Oh, is this the code? I found the code. 0930.
0. I'll tell you it. 0930.
Wait, 09 what?
0930. Got it?
Come down here. Alright, I'm gonna type in the last digit. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Don't touch them.
Oh. It's looking at us. Oh, it's looking at you, bro. We're just passing
Right,
through. Oh. What do we do?
Let's
Just
wash
run for
our
your
hands.
life.
We still
Run
wait.
for your life. You have to run for your life. Oh my goodness.
Jump up. I don't know where we are.
Man, why is it getting creepier? I think we have to go in there.
Jump up.
Why does the animal company have to be so scary?
Oh no. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
I found the room. We have to find the snail in here, I think.
Do you think we're a snail?
Oh wait, I found the way right here. I think we have to find the snail now.
Where do you think the snail would be? Oh my goodness, this is crazy, bro. You think this is crazy?
No!
Oh my gosh! Oh wow, he's down there. I'm gonna look for clues. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Might need a lot of friends to do this, bro.
Yo, I found a way. Come here.
I'm coming. I fell. How far are we going?
Jump!
No, not those. Man, I'm going the easier way. Go, 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 go. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. What's happening? Oh, crap.
We have radiation.
No.
Let's wash our hands. Ah, this feels better.
There's literally blood on here. How does that? I kind of feel like I'm blind now. I might need glasses.
Wait, I found another way. No.
Yeah, I think we already checked that way. No. No. Oh my gosh.
Hey, I think we have to go in these tanks and search for him. Maybe.
So you think there's gonna be a snail in here?
A snail. Jump. Oh, that one ain't open.
Nope. Nope, not in there.
Wait, but we might be able to swim in the water, maybe.
And find it?
Maybe. Oh, why can't I find him?
Oh crap, do not go in here. Do not go in there. It might be this one.
Wait, what are you walking on, bro?
I'm not walking on anything. But I need to wash my hands. I need to get blood on me. Because if I die, I just have more blood to me. The blood in me. Got this. Oh! Wait, use the blood. Use the blood. The blood heals you.
I know.
Why you never tell me? Oh my goodness. Why is this so confusing? Oh my gosh. Where are you?
I'm cleaning myself off.
What? You already touched that much? I need to test eyeball. Okay. Yo, chill. Okay. Oh, you guys have beef. Well, I know you guys have beef. Fight, fight, fight. Fight, 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 fight. Come on, you guys had so much beef. Are you done washing yourself with blood?
Yeah, bro, I don't know where to go.
Oh god. Oh my gosh. Nan.
Alright, let's go back up there, bro.
We might have to go back to the first room.
You just touched a bunch of radiation.
Nah, I'm good. I'm just gonna go. It might be in here.
Yo, it might be right here. Come here.
Are we going backwards?
No, we came through that way. We
Yeah.
came through that way.
I know. Okay. Oh, look, there's a door over here.
Oh
crap.
Watch out, watch out. Yo. Quick, jump up. Get up here.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, get off of me, bro.
Come on, quick.
Oh, why does these little robots?
Bruh.
How did we die? Nah, those robots had beef with us. They had beef with us, right?
Yo, do you want to go get a pineapple?
Nah. Hold on, before
It's
I do what I am going to do. Just get something out. Get your little boo boo with you.
what?
Get your little boo boo with you.
What do you want to do, bro? I'm kind of bored.
Oh boy, huh? Well, get your little boo boo with you. Cause we're going to do crazy stuff. Na-na-na-na. Well, this is gonna be all up for the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. And remember, I don't know what to do, so put the comment below what should be the next video. Peace out.